A Canada Eco-Green Lifestyle Product Guide. Chapter 1. Canadian Green Living / Canadian Eco Products. Canadian Green Living websites. SavvyAndEnergy.ca, save on products that will help save energy all year long. BCIT.ca, Centre for Architectural Ecology. CanadaCanGoGreen.blogspot.com, Canada Can Go Green. CanadianFamily.ca. CanadianLiving.com/life/green_living. C4.ca, Canadian Forum on Religion and Ecology. Deconstructingdinner.ca. Ecoaction.gc.ca. Eco-friendly-homes-in-housing-in-Canada. Ecokids.ca/pub/index.cfm. EcologyOttawa.ca. Gophergreen.ca. greeninggovernment.gc.ca. greenlivingonline.com Canadian publication. greenlivingonline.com/slideshow/Canada's-greenest-cities-tomorrow. greenlivingottawa.com. hug.ca, from zero to green. nrcn.gc.ca Natural resources. nrcn.gc.ca/com/resources/publications. oce.nrcn.gc.ca/publications. oee.nrcn.gc.ca/equipment, appliance Energy Star ratings. statcan.ca. thegreenpages.ca. treecanada.ca. whatsThe411.ca. wrwcanada.com, Waste Reduction Week. Canadian Green Home Building Knowledge. chba.ca, Canadian Home Builders. cagbc.org, Canadian Green Building Council, has a green rating system called LEED. environmental-choice.com, Green Labeling Program, Green Seal on Products, by Environment Canada. cmhc.gc.ca. green-market.ca, find green building professionals. Canadian Green Building Supply Lists. fsccanada.org, info about building materials. buildingreuse.org, used building supplies, type in Canada. designinggreen.com, list of green products in Canada. greenhomeguide.com, list of green products. fsccanada.org, Forest Stewardship Council, list of green furniture makers. Specific Canadian green building supplies. silkroadflooring.com, bamboo. urbantreesalvage.com, use wood from trees damaged in storms. canadianheritagetimber.com. valhalco.com, wood treatment. habitat.ca, thrift shops for building supplies. hardwareinteriors.com. vintagewoodcraft.com. Canadian Green Product Knowledge websites. fsccanada.org, info about wood products. valuecreatedreview.com, info about products. environmental-choice.com, Green Labeling Program, Green Seal on Products, by Environment Canada. designinggreen.com, list of green products in Canada. greenhomeguide.com, list of green products. Canadian Green Product websites. afmsafecode.com, paint. avantipolymers.com, countertops. barbecuesgalore.ca. bedbathandbeyond.com. benjaminmoore.ca, paint. biobag.ca, pet poop bags. canadianhomeworkshop.com. cougorganic.com. earthshine.ca. eco-house.com, New Brunswick. ecos.com. eleekind.com, aluminum countertops. epicgreen.com. farrow-ball.com, paint. fashionhigh.ca. franksmith.ca, furniture. frogfile.com, office supplies. Frogfile.com, recycled pens. GaiaGarden.ca. Grassrootsstore.com. Grassrootsstore.com. GreenEarthCleaningCanada.com. GreenEarthOfficeSupply.com. GreensHighFT.ca. Geoland.ca, books. Honkets.com. HealthyHomes.ca. Hempola.com. IKEA.ca, furniture. IndicaOrganics.com. KarmaOrganic.com, organic pet food. LogicalCreations.ca, log furniture. NativeOrganic.com. NaturaWorld.com. OnlyNaturalPet.com, pet products. Ornamentum.bc.ca, furniture. Raganik.com, 877-729-4367, Canada. RenewResources.com, 800-439-5028, Canada. Shackley.ca. SmallPlanet.ca. SolarCooking.ca. Sustain.ca, small, complete self-sustained home. TheHealthySthome.com. ThinkGreenStore.com. TreeHugger.com. WillowNaturalHome.com. WorldCentric.org. Canadian Green Furniture. HomeDepot.ca. IKEA.ca. DuranteFurniture.com, wood furniture, British Columbia. Canadian Green Cleaning Products for sale. GreenEarthCleaningCanada.com, dry cleaning. PinkSolution.ca. SmallPlanet.ca. ECO-MAX.ca. Grassrootsstore.com. Canadian Natural Cosmetics for sale. LessToxicGuide.ca. OrganicMakeup.ca. LaserMed.ca/patients/injectables.htmlifenetwork.ca, spa treatments. Canadian Organic Clothing. AmericanaPeople.net. NativeOrganic.com. IndicaOrganics.com. COUGOrganic.com. BedBathAndBeyond.com. Obazin.ca, linens. EcoBedroom.com. BullOrganic.com. EarthFriendlyGoods.com. EcoCanada.com. EthicBaby.ca. FigKids.com. Grassrootsstore.ca. Honkets.com. Hoodlam.com. Lululemon.com. MEC.ca, 888-847-0770. NearZANaturals.com. NoComiesClothing.ca, Edmonton. NotJustPretty.com, Victoria, BC. AcoQO.com. OrganicCottonPlus.com. Preloved.ca, recycled clothes. Raganik.com, 877-729-4367, hemp products, Canada. SageCreekCanada.com/organicclothing.aspx. SageCreekNaturals.com/organicclothing.aspx. SkirtClothing.ca, Toronto. Softmock.ca, footwear. TheBabyShop.ca. T-H-E-Store.com. TorontoHemp.com. TWICE-SHY.com. UnderTheCanopy.com. WarmandWonderful.com. Canadian Pest Control. PestControlCanada.com. PCO.ca. PestControlCanada.com. laws.justice.gc.ca/en/p-9, Justice Canada, Pest Control Products Act. abelpestcontrol.com. Literacy.com, Canada. Pestservices.ca. Halifax.ca/pesticides. Clean.ns.ca/pesticides. abcpestmanagement.ca, Vancouver Pest Specialist. PestSolutions.ca, Squamish, Whistler, BC. OrkinCanada.ca. Canadian Radon Testing. Gov.ns.ca/nlaw. 877 9 Enviro. cmhc.ca/odpub/pdf/61945.pdf 800 668 2642